Question: if the HCF of 65 and 117 is expressible in the form 65m minus 117, then the value of m is option A 4, option B 2, option C 1, option D 3. Answer: we are given that HCF of 65, 117 is equal to 65m minus 117. Let us first find the LHS, that is the HCF of 65 and 117 using prime factorization. First, let us find the prime factors for 65. 65 is not an even number, so it is not divisible by 2. Next, divisibility by 3. 6 plus 5, that is equal to 11, is not divisible by 3. So 65 is not divisible by 3. Next prime number is 5. 65 ends with 5, so it is divisible by 5. 5 times 13 is 65. And 13 is a prime number, so the prime factorization of 65 is completed. 65 is equal to product of the prime factors, which are 5 and 13. Next, we will find the prime factors for 117. 117 is an odd number, so it is not divisible by 2. Next, let us check the divisibility by 3. The sum of the individual digits, that is 1, 1 and 7, is 9. 9 is divisible by 3. So 117 is divisible by 3. 3 times 39 is 117. Now let us check the divisibility of 39 by 3. 3 plus 9 is 12, which is divisible by 3. 3 times 13 is 39. And 13 is a prime number. So the factorization of 117 is completed. And the prime factors are 3, 3 and 13. Therefore 117 is equal to 3 times 3 times 13. From both the prime factors of 65 and 117, 13 is the common number. Therefore HCF of 65 and 117 is 13. Now let us substitute the HCF value in this equation, that is HCF of 65, 117 is equal to 65m minus 117. We have found that HCF of 65 and 117 is 13. Therefore 13 is equal to 65m minus 117. Then 65m becomes 117 plus 13, which is equal to 130. Divide both sides by 65, which gives us m is equal to 130 by 65, which is equal to 2. Therefore option B, which is 2, is the right answer. If the HCF of 65 and 117 is expressible in the form 65m minus 117, then the value of m is 2.